Got a little tractor over here, right off of Betty Lane on 389. Oh, they were digging pretty good.
Did we get a choker around that axle on that side?
Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna be right here. You wanna do a red one or do you the other one?
It's gonna be two.
Two? Yeah, we'll be good. But I only got one of those. I only got one of those. It's ready for 16,000 pounds in the basket. For some reason that one was shorter.
Pull up a couple feet.
Yeah.
Oh, no, let's go to the back.
Oh, you want?
Slide to the
Okay, you want one on the front, one on the back? Okay.
I don't know, we can do a full first.
On this side over here, that first box. You want it like this, Kevin?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna do 2 cables?
Yeah, pull the gray cable in the front.
Get on this one first. Oh, you didn't hook? You didn't. This one's fine. This one's not hooked up yet. More? All right.
You think we ought to?
You want to pull forward some? I think it'll come right here. On this? You want
Got
to?
the hole in the fence on.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, we're good. You want me to pull on that side? What? Yeah. Let up on this one. Neutral.
I don't even think we need that one anymore, huh?
Yeah. You got neutral? Yeah.
Yep. Oh, no.
Yeah. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Almost there. Okay.
Good on the fence?
Yeah, hey, it's the deck. How do you does it start?
Yeah, should start.
Okay. Hey, let her hop on so she can raise the deck.